Currently hiking Mount Arab to the lookout tower. Diretso manig ascendo eh. Hi ma'am! Sid actually went with us, but we told him if it gets too much, he can stop whenever. See you when we get to the top. So I think according to my tracker, we're like 0.55 miles into this hike. And I'm making a stop because I have to catch my breath. So if you need to make that stop, you take it, but don't stop there. So I have a long way to go. So if that's a mile and I've walked 0.55, then I have like halfway more. So I'm with my friend Irene. She's over there. Yeah, so see you at the top. You can do this. Hala, na-light ma'am. Hopefully we can catch the sunset. No, I don't think we will, but the lighting will be soft at the top, I think. Good for pictures. Is this your first peak of the year, ma'am? Yeah. So yeah, that's the trail. It's beautiful. I like trails that look like that. It's well maintained but not extremely groomed. It's nice. Oh. Don't forget your bug spray, please, when you climb or when you go inside forests. So this trail is continuously ascending. Really. Finally, a bit flat. Naka-break akong legs. Hi, ma'am.
Hello, everyone.
It's so fulfilling, even when I'm just walking. I'm not even at the peak yet. Wow. Wow, that's pretty. Kami nagsatag video. Let's go. So pretty. So guys, there's a road to our right and another road to our left. Both of them are certified foot trails.
That one's easier.
But we chose this because it looks more exciting. Naana po daaning taking the scenic route. The last time I took the scenic route, nasamad akong lips kay nahulog na slide ko sa rock. Hopefully that won't happen this time. Wow.
Survive siya sa
Oliver
high.
made it! Woohoo! Come up, come up.
Okay.
Woohoo! Good job, everybody! Woohoo!
First hike visit.
Oh my gosh! Everybody made it to the top of Mount
In one
Aram!
piece.
Hindi atong kuan 0.8.
Layo-layo eh.
Guys, let's tuyok sa tanan 360.
Sige.
Ikaw tuyok.
Okay.
Or pass the ano na lang ka. Oh, di na sakto.
Kaya naman. 1, 2, 3, go.
Or 180 na gilitan mo.
Yay!
Asa daw na ulit.
Yeah! Time for some energy. This is a protein bar.
That's a nice idea, Mother.
So we're now on our way down. We had such a good time at the top. So we went to the fire tower, and there was actually a small clearing just beyond the foot of the tower, and there was a bench. So we took our time sitting there, talking about life. And now we're going down. So see you at the bottom.
Bye. See you.
Till our next peak.
Ay, ganun na.
Anak ako. Basta video, ma'am. Photo dili ra.
Oh, you can use my phone to video if you want.